Hello kids, hope you all are doing great and staying safe. Today we are going to learn and discuss the Unit 5 poem, that is The Balloon Man. This poem is written by Rose Feilman. She was an English writer and poet, famous for her works for children. She was one of the most successful children's writers of her generation. Now, before starting the kids, answer me some questions. Do you like balloons? Colorful balloons, big and small balloons. Does the balloon man visit your place or your street market? Let's see what the balloon man brings with him in the poem The Balloon Man. This poem is written in the perspective of a young girl who tells about the balloon man in the market. So, let's begin with the poem. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. In the first stanza, the girl is telling about the balloon man who always comes whenever there is a market in her neighborhood. He comes with a bunch of balloons and stays there for a long time without having the food or lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. In the second stanza, the young girl is feeling joyful about the different colors of balloon. Which color balloons you can see? Yes, red color, purple color, blue color and green color. She further tells that when it is a bright sunny day with clear sky, there are lots of people and cars in the market. Due to this, people and cars, she is able to see the balloons shining brightly far away. And some are big and some are small and tied together with a string, and if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Here the girl is talking about the different sizes of the balloon. Some are big and some are small. They are all tied with a string. Here kids, string is a thread. When the wind blows those balloons, they start tugging. They start to tug. Kids, here the meaning of tug is what? To pull away with force. So, due to the wind, the balloons start pulling away from the bunch that the balloon man is holding. Someday, perhaps, he will let them go and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Now, in the last stanza, the girl wishes that the balloon man will leave the bunch of balloons free and she shall stand and watch them from the ground flying high up in the sky. According to her, the colorful balloons would look very pretty and beautiful in the sky. Now we will see some new words. Bunch. Bunch means things tied together. Means in a group, a collection of balloon, collection of flowers you can say. Square. A quadrilateral with all four sides equal. In simple language you can say a shape with all four sides equal. Sunny. Sunny means bright. Sunny day. A bright day. Tug means to pull something hard and quickly. Here you can see how they are tugging. A tug of war means to pull it hard. So kids, this was all about the poem The Balloon Man. Thank you. Take care.